Mar-a-Lago case. We're talking about the classified documents
that were
discovered over there.
Right, and this would be, again, one of the suspicion that prosecutors had was that there was some kind of obstruction that happened. And that is, of course, as you know, the former president is, accused of obstructing this investigation as part of that.
Certainly significant. Elie Honig, our legal analyst, is joining us right now. Elie, talk a little bit about the legal implications of this new development.
Well, Wolf, as we wait to see what the specific charges are, we can know this. This individual would only be added to the indictment if Jack Smith and his team believe that they could prove that he acted knowingly and intentionally, meaning he wasn't simply following orders with no concept that what he was doing was against the law. So presumably, Jack Smith believes he has proof beyond a reasonable doubt that this person acted intending to break the law, whether it's obstruction of justice or some sort of documents-related charge. The other thing to keep in mind, looking at the bigger tactical picture here, the more defendants in this case, and this would be a third defendant along with Donald Trump and Walt Nauta, that's now one more person with an even more powerful incentive potentially to cooperate, because before this person was charged, there was really nothing to threaten him with, no particular downside. And now, if and when this charge comes through, this person's going to have to make a decision. Do I fight this charge and risk potential jail time, or do I try to help my own bottom line by cooperating? So this gives Jack Smith and his team potentially some more leverage, and Donald Trump potentially one more thing to worry about.
Good point. Andrew McCabe is with us.